Hello, my lovelies. It's Anna, and today I have an interesting math problem for you. Have you ever wondered how a hollow sphere can be transformed into a cylinder? Let's solve this interesting puzzle together. Here we have a hollow sphere with an inner radius of 3 cm and an outer radius of 5 cm. It's melted and reshaped into a cylinder. If the diameter of the cylinder is 7 cm, then we need to find the height of this cylinder. We are given outer radius capital R is 5 cm. Inner radius small r is 3 cm. And diameter of the cylinder is 7 cm. We know radius is equal half of the diameter. So radius R1 equals 7 by 2 cm. We need to find the height of the cylinder. Do you know the concept, guys? When an object is melted and reshaped into a different shape, the total volume remains the same. In other words, we can say volume of the original object equals volume of the new objects. In our case, volume of the cylinder is equal volume of the hollow sphere. So let's set up the equation. We know the volume of cylinder is pi r1 square h. Can you tell me, guys, what is the formula for the volume of a hollow sphere? Yes, it's 4 by 3 pi. In the bracket, cube of outer radius minus cube of the inner radius. Now substitute the given values. Each is equal 10.67 cm. It means the height of the cylinder is 10.67 cm. If you enjoyed the explanation, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel for more exciting math problems. See you in the next video. Happy learning!